Ebusia emaya ye no mo Ghana hanom no. There be omu na de Ghana ebeduru achiri. Now there's a very disgusting video go viral around a certain Russian guy out ba Ghana hanom for tourism. Ebusia waba ba we ye ma no amowi no asa post omu videos. Na omu video no air trend. Memo ahwe videos ni bi na de ho nkomo. Na ebusa questions to Ghana for ma no say sebe omu bobod dam na say de na ewu omu tirimu. No akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah block media. Make sure I say any demo. Or be like video no that one put a subscribe button, some back click notification connect latest updates. Number to the wide and mama ewo comment section. Once over so. Not sure for any of. So it was in January 2026. Anna Russian national say Russian ya brand here. And the dino say ya ch0p. Or say ya ch0p. Obe PM Ghana had for tourism because unknown according to research I come here or your content creator. Ewo ni memu. You know, oba had for tourism. Ebe how ya nema no say in the time when I show speed ewo Ghana hanom no na guy we eso ewo Ghana hanom ono kwa din kan ba haja I show speed but I show speed ba you know on say obe promote Africa at large but Ghana guy we no ba for the personal tourism to have the personal experience na the tourism na oba you know yen hu ni say on na bia say bia on na museum on na famous monkeys on na waterfalls on na no the tourism no be we see over Ghana for ma no ebe wo mu ewo hotels any more any many places videos up for the angels guy we no on one kasa and apostie how are even osimiti Ghana for ma no during the tour in Ghana hanom no more baby no oda ni room hotel ko ha ye no how are we see approach to Ghana for man ewo hotels any any malls any marketplaces any just any other place anyhow a man is just omo the man ma guy the curry wo mu that day na no it beats my imagination. Yeah, just some of the videos na any home come.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Come with me. I show you how I live.
Okay.
This is my room.
Okay.
This is my kitchen.
Okay.
You live here?
Yeah, I work here.
Work here. You live far from this place?
20 minutes.
You want after work go home?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm here. I'll leave in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you again.
Sorry, can you help me? I can't turn on the microwave.
Just a moment. I'll be with you.
Yes.
Mind coming?
A microwave. No. Are you married?
No.
How old are you? What?
How old do you think I am? I'm 32.
32. You look very younger.
Everybody says that.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Later, please. I would like to know you better. Know you more. Okay? A little more. Because I like how you look.
Okay.
You look very good. Hi. What is the name? I'm from Russia. How you look? My English very bad. You live in Mombasa? This is my number.
Скрипнула дверь, все мне ясно стало теперь, сколько...
Hello, how are you? How old are you? 21. You live here? Are you married? Are you married? I would like to see you in the evening. Can you come to me? My number Russian, please. Write me on WhatsApp.
Я не знаю, что сказать тебе при встрече. Не могу найти хотя бы пару слов. А недолгий вечер, а недолгий вечер скоро станет ночью темною без снов. А недолгий вечер, а недолгий вечер.
Very little.
I don't speak English.
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
I don't speak English.
But mine, I'm speaking English. My brother, you want to smell that wedding?
What?
You want to smell this wedding?
Sorry? It's my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
Yeah, she's Africa.
I don't understand.
She's my daughter.
Speak Russia, please. Russia. Russian language. Russian.
I'm not going to relax with my brother. Wait, how you talk with that man?
Sorry?
Small English.
Small English, yes.
Small English is good, my brother. I pray for you. Yeah, she's my daughter.
Your daughter?
My daughter.
Come with me.
Послушай меня сегодня, хочу быть с тобой. Верни мне мою надежду.
Hi. You live here?
Yes.
Where?
Work.
Work here. What's your name?
Esther.
Esther. Where you go?
We are going to go to work.
Home. I would like to see you today.
Me today?
Yes.
Today? At where?
I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Your name?
Esther.
Esther. How old are you?
I'm 26.
26. Okay, I'm 30. Okay, have a nice day.
Your name?
Вячеслав. Okay, Lad. L-A-D. Lad.
Lad.
Yes.
Lazy.
Скоро станет ночью темною без снов. А недолгий вечер, а недолгий вечер станет ночью темною без снов. И снова седая ночь, и только ей доверяю я. Знаешь, седая ночь, ты все мои тайны. Но даже ты помочь.
Hi. What is this? Maybe I need this thing. What is this? How much?
Here is a laundry.
Sorry?
Laundry. It's towel.
Come with me.
I should come with you. I'm at work.
What's your name?
Inaifa.
Text me on WhatsApp how you rest. Okay? I'd
I
like.
don't have my phone here.
I text you. My English is not good. I'm from Russia.
Russia. Oh, no problem. Hey, Russia.
And you? Where are you from?
I'm a Ghanaian. Yeah.
He wants to marry you. You are going to Russia.
Hi. Where are you going?
Fine yourself.
I'm sorry.
I'm fine yourself.
I'm fine. Where are you going?
I'm heading to how do you call it? Ashaiman. Do you know Ashaiman?
No, I don't know.
Around Tema.
Yes. Yes. You live in Tema?
No, that's not where I live. I'm going to my grandma.
Okay, come with me.
What? Tour?
I show you one thing, one place.
Where? What is it?
I don't know. What is it?
I don't know.
Okay.
No idea.
Text me when you finish.
Okay, sure. Give me your number.
I have Russian number.
Okay.
Yeah. I like your dress. Hello. I like your dress. Yeah. What is your name? Masi. Oh, nice. Nice to meet you. Are you Kenyan girl? Masi.
It's like up here.
Work.
Yeah, it's what?
Okay.
You can
How?
pass by.
Huh?
You can pass by.
I need eating.
Okay, you're here to eat.
Wait, I don't understand. Sorry, I
You don't
from
understand-
Russia.
You don't understand English.
Yeah. My English
Your English
is not good.
but I can hear what you're saying.
Can I see tomorrow in the evening?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can take my number and then.
Your number?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my place.
I see. It's nice.
Nice.
Meet you again.
Yeah. I'm too. Do you want water? Hi, what's your name? Angela. Oh, nice to meet you. My name is Vyacheslav. Vyacheslav, I'm from Russia.
From Russia. Oh, nice to meet you.
How old are you?
29.
29. Wow, you look like 18.
I look 18.
18.
Really? I guess I'm doing something right.
What are you doing here?
I came to buy some stuff.
Ah,
Yeah, I came to get some stuff.
come with me.
How are you going?
I show you one thing.
Oh, okay. I requested a ride. I think I might have to cancel.
I want to show you how I live.
You want to show me?
Yes.
I have to go home now. I'm so tired.
So tired? Okay. After I order taxi for you. Okay? I order both now.
Главное, ребята, перцем не стареть, песню, что придумали, до конца допеть. Дальний край собрали, да в этот край таежный, только самолетом можно долететь. Sing the song for a broken hearted.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Come with me.
Come with you.
Я не знаю, что сказать тебе при встрече. Не могу найти хотя бы пару слов.
You see, Obeshiao, how are you? What is your name? What are you going? Where are you going? What are you coming to do? Come with me. And we are nobody dinechi. Hey, now Ghana format, and you know, even to the point they say, posting videos where, there was one of the video posting somewhere, 20th January 2026. And now Obi, the young Russian, ebusa or comment section say, how much money are they asking for? And was it, $20 is enough. Not everyone ask. Or just say $20 with $20. A man now who will video ni no. A man a big jina so a who video ni no $20. The any board din or this kakesi $20. What you say? And your man will be a going to be for sika. And you know, I saw a video and one lady be Africa guy no any need trust.
I need police. Bro, police.
Wait.
I paid my child. You didn't pay my child when I get there. And you sleep with me unprotectedly, and you're telling me to call? You are mad.
Wait. Hey.
Hey, lady now yes and kwasi asem stop it. Jai kura de ebu onfu. Nya say ehu eba be chiwa be pu jangwasi asem no one for sale. What here? Jai jime no one for sale. And eye me nwanwa de na sem eye me nwanwa wo mu kese eye hotel manager no. Hotel a ho na wo eye adwuma as a manager. Unim how a room bia sitie. Ho abeje dan. Na wo de ne tower cause fine obi beje room a o command the tower ni ade. O serve no. Na odru ho a waka kire. Come let me show you my room. This is my TV. This is my desk. Room a wo ho na wo dada. Hotel na you as the manager. Na lady na is so impressed about the room. Na emano there be o movie ni self mabobo adamu ana. Ghana forman no sebe movie no mabobo adamu ana. Biaya ho na wo ti adwuma. Ho aba ho no ma be renting room na wo ho. No as afro, come let me show you my room. This is my TV. This my this. Now why you so impressed? Why you so surprised? There be moment here say there be. I want so crowd me. Moment in seven see I don't get it. Moment in seven I don't get it. Say duro no the na me who say people are calling on Mahama say he says to the president say a man na o manim no bibia wo no. Yenchi o mina run HIV test on them. Very necessary. Very because video na lady guy na kuna or just say on how says raw just a guy no bon raw on shashe na man is what you say what should be one day pe so your bosom so ye nsuo so yare be won sua nyansa nwene hwe emusa question what share nipa one day wunnim ni bia broni oye broni na Ghana ni abrante na hia wa sab ne sa ma wem obi na bo ho ka kwabna ni bi na ebo mo ho ka se sabre Ghana ni bia branti a oye fanboy kura sinu broni we ewo sika wo bibia sinu broni we obi ene mai mu bi din komo they are in the talking stage o ma din komo be 4 months ni of friends oba na kroba ni be so be ko but one day pe we akwa akọwe no mo de munko sumu ye ni mo asesa munko sumu ye ni mo asesa eye mam ye ni jeka ye ri nyame na da mo ase nyame nhira mo nyame nhira mo se mutimi ma ne ya foma bi na mama na ye den amabi be ma pa oba na oba te ase a eye be ma na be bo oba ho ka but oba na be chichi ne ho chinchim ne ho asede relationship ni mu no oba ni mom na ebe hwe be ma no so be ma na ebe hwe oba no so oba na be chinchim ne ho chichi ne ho akyerɛkyerɛ ne ho nso attitude fun bi na so oba nkra no onyo bia be chichi ne ho akyerɛkyerɛ no akyerɛ be ma sa as will be about one day na no we show na come with me no we show supermarket come with me no do akọ ni room akọwe na mo pa he Penyah block me be try say wadwen ama me e wo comment section